Time now for Morning Rounds, our look at the medical news of the week. Almost everyone knows someone who's been affected by cancer, and it remains the nation's second leading cause of death. With so many of us touched by the illness, the American Society of Clinical Oncology conducted a survey on cancer-related issues.
The group questioned nearly 5,000 Americans, including asking how optimistic they are about finding a cure for the disease within the next 50 years. Nearly half say they're very optimistic, with a little over a quarter somewhat hopeful.
Joining us now from Los Angeles to discuss this and more is CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus. Good morning, Doc.
Yes, I am a contributor.
Well, one topic where people seem to be not so optimistic was in terms of the cost of this care in this study and the anxiety which sort of is surrounding it. What can you tell us?
Well, I think it's a true worry is that there is financial toxicity to cancer treatment. Every new cancer drug is priced $150,000 a year, $200,000 a year. Really in many senses, it's a predatory practice, is that the prices are charged what the market will bear. And so patients have to worry. They have to worry, do I mortgage my house to be able to get cancer treatment and be with my family? And so it's an issue we as cancer doctors need to address, we as a society need to address, and certainly this survey brings that to the front, that they're worried about more than this, than about toxicities from the treatment. They're worried about the finances.
Yeah, it's a big concern. Another topic that stood out in the study, David, was people's responses to alternative therapies and their perceptions of them. What surprised you?
Well, what shocked me is that a study was done in the Journal of National Cancer Institute showing that people who took alternative therapies instead of conventional therapy had a 2.5-fold higher death rate. So clearly, these are drugs that have not been shown to work, and yet there's a perception that they work as good or better than standard conventional treatments. And that's a fault of we cancer doctors, and obviously we're not educating well enough, and there's not enough hope put in the treatments that we're given, and that people are going to alternative treatments, and that to me is scary.
David, they were also asked about what they hope from the government as far as cancer care goes. What were some of their wishes?
Well, the government should fund cancer research, they should fund cancer care, and I agree with both of those. Cancer is one of the few bipartisan issues. Whether you're red or blue, you care about cancer progress because every family in this country is affected. And so the government has been the lead financer for cancer progress, and our progress really has driven the world to improve the care of cancer. So hopefully that'll continue.